Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:13 p.m. September 16th, 2020, Wednesday, hump day. We are looking at some stocks today. It was actually a really good morning with a slight taste of missed opportunities. And then I got a little bit stupid trading mid-range stuff and lost half my gains. So it was nice to get off to a good start today, and then it was unfortunate that I peeled off some of my gains. So let's go over some of the stocks I missed early on. I have a 2-minute chart here. Markets were kind of choppy at the end with the ups and downs of the FOMC. DraftKings, let's go back. Opening trade early on, just a break of the 50 level. I tried jumping in on that after it pulled down a little bit, and it just jumped me so quick, and then it made a nice move up, and that was an unfortunate miss. So I'm going through all my, and then my next potential trade, again, something happened. Apps at $29.50. The break here on this pulled back, and then it was the next candle up. Look at that move, 29.50 to 31. Missed that. And then I missed another one. I forgot which one it was. But then I found Tesla. Good old Tesla. Back in the mix again. I took the break at 938, which is a breakdown here at the 438 level. Coming back up, and it kind of got sideways on me, but I was able to get some nice gains. I did take some the stock I was taking mid-range trades on was Tesla, so I ended up only breaking even on Tesla for the day, and I was up like $70-$80 on it, so that sucked. FedEx was the other one, just jumped me at 253, I believe it was. Yeah, right here. See how this price level was around 253.49. I tried again at 253. It ran up to 256 without looking back, and it just flew through me. And unfortunately, I did not catch that one. So if you see the pattern here, it was kind of rough because there were some really good setups, and they all followed through, and they all worked for the most part. I was just not able to take advantage of nailing the entry. So the trade of the day for me was this NNOX. I traded it the other day. Pretty much beaten up a couple days in a row after a nice move up. Weird news on this stock. And as it was turning back up, I think around 9:53 here, the break of this candle, which is around the 39.80 level, I was able to grab a lot of this move. Got in at 39.50 actually, and my best sell on it was 41.35. So that was a really nice trade. It did pull back down here, and you can see it came right to my entry. I was holding about 25 shares at the time. My entry was 39.50. It got to below 39.42, so I stopped out. I was like, ugh, this thing's going to turn, isn't it? And look what it did. It went up another like 1.5 from my original high. So I missed out on about $100 on that particular slight pullback. If I just, obviously if I'd sold there, it would have been fine. But I was looking for this bigger move, and I wasn't able to take advantage of it. So unfortunately, that's the way it went. That's pretty much it. Beyond was setting up a couple times, and I started. No, it was a big one. Good old BEKE, recent IPO. This move through, was it right here? I believe. High through 57. Yeah, through 57 here. Nice move up. Pulled back down, but never went back to your entry. And then continued to up to 62 at the end of the day. So this is one of those ones, if you held on to some shares, big move, really big move, 5-point move. And that's just the way it ended. So I ended up with about $66. Let me see if I can bring up my equity line, and you can see how my day went. Okay, so you can see the fortunate start, move up, a little slight loss on this particular move. And then I got that NNOX trade all the way up to about $137. And then I kind of peeled off some Tesla trades here. Never went to negative or anything like that. And kind of just chopped around and ended up with $66. So not exactly how I wanted to end it. I thought I was going to find one more trade after this one. You know, the two other trades I missed or got jumped on worked. I mean, things happen, and I just have to accept it. But you know, it hurts to not get those big trades. I'm actually starting to look at E-Trade. I'm not gonna lie. I used E-Trade before, but not the Pro version. And the guys that are using it aren't getting jumped as much. I can't confirm again if it's my broker or. I don't think it's my internet. I really don't, because I have a really high-speed internet, and I usually don't have issues with internet, except for yesterday. But that was totally different. That was just like a lag of some sort. Today, I was running 520 up and stuff, and it could be my CPU. So it's between the broker and CPU at this point. I'm gonna have to go with. And once I confirm that, I might open up like my Roth account and put my E-Trade or put it in E-Trade and then run some trades on that and see how the level 2 works and see how my fills work. I just know, you know, I did a stop out on a couple trades recently, like a hard stop, and my fills were not very good. This doesn't mean I don't like TradeStation or anything. I'm just trying to think if there's something else I can do to improve what I'm already working on. You know, I don't want to be held back. The better tools you have, the better your trading is going to go. So that's the goal. I'll keep you guys posted about that. I'm definitely weeks away from that for sure. So you guys have a good one. Subscribe, like the video, and I will be back hopefully tomorrow, Thursday, to finish up the week. Markets are interesting. We'll just keep it at that. Have a good one.